Hello, everyone. I am Professor Green, and welcome to class. Today, for my introduction, I'm using Google Earth, and for a few purposes, just to introduce myself to you, tell you a little bit about myself, and then also, hopefully, this is nothing new, Google Earth, that is, and maybe hopefully it's something you could reimagine how to use it for your purposes with your students because it's very engaging. So let me get to it. All right, so right now I am in Columbus, Ohio. I never thought I'd end up here, but that's where I ended up. I'm married to my lovely wife Kiri and have my son Stuart, who is in third grade, and we are living the suburban life, which is not, again, not what I planned, but okay. All right. But before we can go there, I have to go back to where I grew up. I grew up in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm a diehard Steelers, Pirates, Penguins fan. So if you're a fan of one of those teams, I'm with you. If not, that's okay. All right. And then fast forward, let's cruise across the country. And I met my wife, and we lived in Old Town Chicago for about 7 or 8 years. And that is when I started with Kendall College, which in 2018, the programs and assets were acquired by National Louis University, which is where we are now. And I am the happiest professor around. I'm very, very happy. So that's a little bit of background on me, and I wanted to keep it quick. So, but what I really want to show you is, let's say you are studying volcanoes with your students, okay? Now, what's cool about Google Earth is you can zoom into places. We can go closer, and see what's going on. So this is an active volcano in Russia, all right? But my plea to you is move beyond the printed page and take students there. If you're studying the Roman Colosseum, take them there. That's what's cool about Google Earth. But let me show you what I mean. All right, so this is a 360 video of a helicopter flying over a active volcano, Kamachka. I think I said it right. But here we go. All right, and as you look, you can maneuver. I don't know if you can see my little hand, but I can maneuver how I look at this and manipulate it. Imagine taking students beyond the printed page and bringing them into be able to see this volcano. Which is cool. You can move around, pilots. It's just pretty really neat. And it's a 2 minute long video. You know, I think it's a really great way to introduce topics, or like we said, the Roman Colosseum, or if you're studying a historical place. So again, something to think about and be creative in how you use it. But most of all, I'm just really glad to be your professor this term, and welcome to class.